Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. on a Sunday, and today is very special because I get to finally see somebody who I haven't seen in maybe 3-4 years. I'm gonna cry when I see them. And so, yeah, I'm gonna go pick them up at the airport in about 4 hours here. I'm going to clean up and then hopefully it'll look better than this. I'll be staying here for a week, take tons of pictures and videos. And so yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be a great time. And so what I really can say is because like I can't, it's just I'm so excited, I can't talk. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick them up. I'm gonna be picking up my best friend I haven't seen in 4 years. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. But we'll see. Yeah, talk to you guys soon. Oh my god, it's time! Oh my god. I'm so scared. I'm scared walking. I'm like low-key scared. But where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Oh my god. I see her. Here she comes. Alright, see you later. Hi guys, it's been a couple days since I last vlogged. I was filming my reaction to meeting my best friend, who I haven't seen in 3 or 4 years. Oh my goodness! But I'm home, and yeah, in my kitchen, and then my best friend is here. Hello! We're united, and it feels so good.
But now we are prepping for Hurricane Ian.
Yes, for those of you who don't know, in Florida, there is a hurricane in Florida hitting my way. I'm off for the next 2 days, thankfully. This woman here, she's been prepping everything. I just got a bag of ice. That's how much I'm worth. I'm worth a bag of ice.
That's all she has contributed.
Yep.
Thankfully, I have an entire system planned out for us in a safe room, an emergency plan. I've got plan A through F of what we're going to do to survive.
A through Z and everything. Everything. They're saying tomorrow is the first day. It should be bad. That's what they're saying. We don't know. It's Mother Nature run its course. Though in Thor and Loki, they're gonna have a war. So.
Yep. And we're gonna have a great view front and center of the show, which we'll make sure to film everything.
Yeah, for sure. Let me show you the view that we've got. So I have my bike right there. I brought it inside. We're watching Despicable Me, as you can see. Let's see. We just got this little eye. I brought to show you that. That's the lake, and that's pretty much really it.
Show off our survival room.
Oh, our survival room, because no matter what, you have to have a survival room in the house. And Kat picked the bathroom down here because it's away from any windows. It's under the stairs, so it's pretty much like I can literally close this door. And then, oh wait, crap. The only annoying thing about it is that the fan. It's the fan. But high ceilings, and got it on my lighters. Here's all their setup, water, clothes, and then we're ready to roll. Gotta have the snacks, and then we got our chargers, and then got my friends, and yeah, so I'm not alone. Woohoo!
So we will let you know if we make it.
Yeah, if we die. I mean, I'll probably film in the morning and see how we're feeling, because last night we were like, oh, check the weather. I'm like, okay, so we checked it outside. It's really quiet, which is good. Work is prepping. I'm off, like I said. It's guarded, so in case the winds get bad, it's gonna hit the trailers versus the windows, and our computers are safe because we have some stuff that can't get ruined, and so.
And I'm from San Diego, so this is my first time.
This is your initiation week.
Yep. Let's see if I make it.
Yeah, because there's some pictures that says like, oh, new to Florida, welcome to initiation week.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got the cooler down there. Oh, I gotta show them the storage unit. Let me see. So here's the storage unit, which we'll have to keep locked. And then my car's right there, safe and sound. Not too worried about it. Got a baseball bat. It's my favorite weapon. Locking the door. That door stays shut. My weapon of choice? Kat, what's your weapon of choice?
A bat.
A bat. I feel like, wait, can't, like, I can totally be Harley Quinn right now. And just, like, pose and, I don't know. I'm losing it. I've already lost it since I got off work. So, yeah.
Hi.
Thoughts, questions, comments, concerns on this hurricane?
I think we're gonna be good. I've been prepping.
Yeah. She's good. And she knows what she's talking about, so I gotta listen to her.
That's right. I'm in charge.
You think that I'd be the one prepping because I've been here for 3 or 4 years now?
She contributed a bag of ice.
A bag of ice. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and go. I'm gonna make some tea, and chill out and relax and get my mind off of this hurricane because it's bad. And my friends and other friends in California are like, Sam, you gotta be good, or like, what hurricane? What hurricane's coming? They don't understand it, but we do. She's gonna be an inaugural or a Floridian. And hopefully she doesn't go home, low-key, because I don't want her to go home. But yeah, anyways, see you guys in the next few seconds. Yeah. Bye. Hi, guys. Update. It is, what time is it?
Pressure in will clear things out.
9:16. Winding down. Got my wax warmer right there. It's on. I got the one over there on the table, side table. Don't know what time I'll go to bed because I don't have work tomorrow. Trying to see if I can stay up at midnight. We're gonna watch TV. We're watching TV now. We were watching the news and nothing's changed, as if we know, right? Or is it gonna be category 1 now? Is what they're saying.
Lowering down to category 1 when it hits us.
They're saying at first like it was a category 3 or category 4 is landfall tomorrow night. But now it's saying it's category 1, which is, it's looking better. But we can't keep things like that. And I'm still scared. Drinking all the water that I can. I'm gonna shower in the morning so I can wake up. I don't even know what time I'm gonna wake up in the morning. We had breakfast for food, or food for breakfast. Maybe play some games. I have some board games. Play some Uno. I'm gonna kick her butt. She doesn't know shit when I kick her butt. She's shaking her head down like I'm gonna kick her butt, Uno.
You don't know who you're playing against.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Maybe play some card games. And yeah. I'm getting tired. If I end up getting him up in the middle of the night, I probably will film or something. I don't know. We'll be sleeping downstairs, so. I ignore my water right there, but this is my second water today. No, third. I need to drink more water, but it's technically not water. It's just Powerade, 0 sugar. So, yeah. Did I tell you that my boss got me these Jolly Ranchers 0 sugar? Oh my goodness. So you know the water packets I just put in there? At work we have this thing where she's like, I'm so hyped up. She gave me these Jolly Rancher packets of water to put in my water. It says 0 sugar on them.
You don't need more sugar.
I don't need more sugar. That's what my boss was getting at. And I almost took a cat home. Because I went to my boss's house and she's got a cat. She's got 3 cats. 4. Plus the mama. So 3 kittens plus the mama. Oh my goodness, it just made my day. But yeah, we're chilling, watching the news. Like that. We're trying to relax. How are you doing, Kat?
Trying to analyze.
Trying to analyze.
Plan G right now.
Plan. She's done A through G now so far. I don't blame her because this is her first hurricane. Hurricane Ian, here we go. Theme parks are closed tomorrow and Thursday. Friday is up in the air for work. For really, pretty much everything is up in the air. Because we don't know how we're gonna be cleaning up with the storm and everything. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna hang out, watch some TV. Yeah, I will see you guys later. And this has been another update from Hurricane Ian. Irma was last year, I think, or the year before. I don't remember. So, we're gonna do that. Yeah. Anything else to add, Kat?
I'll let you know what type of food we make up. We have a wide variety of items on our menu.
Yeah, we have a wide variety of items on our menu. Pizza, I saw lean cuisine in the freezer.
Corn,
tuna, pasta,
cereal, Chips
waffles,
Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy, Oreos. We're set, thanks to her. So, and sandwiches. I had a cheese quesadilla
with corn tortilla.
And so I've just been kind of just hanging out. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Good night. Comment down below because we want to know. The question of the day is, what's your favorite color? Kat, what's your favorite color? Rainbow. My favorite color is green. Lime green. Alright, bye guys. Good morning, guys. Is it officially day 1 of hurricane or day 2?
1.
It's day 1. Hurricane prep is done, I think. We're having lunch now. I said good morning, but we woke up at like 10. We're making a lot of food because we're hungry, and then not really much to report back with. We slept pretty good. I slept downstairs. We both slept downstairs. Yeah, so we're making food. That was my air fryer going off. And then got our food to eat. Last night I made cheese quesadilla, like I explained. Got our waters. Hanging out in inside the house. We still have power. And so our TV.
A 58 mile per hour wind gust with sustained winds coming in at about 40 easterly flow.
Should be fun.
And in Fort Myers, 54 mile an hour wind gust.
We got this.
Southeast wind at about 31. Rainfall is.
She's nodding her head like, yeah, we got this.
Flowing down the road, particularly in our rivers and streams. I showed you some of those stream flow rates where already we've seen places like the Manatee River go from 75.
Look at all those cities. Like, I didn't even think that that's how big of the state this is.
up to over 700.
You wanna say hi?
In just the space of 24 hours.
Let's say hi from here.
Lots of additional
Wanna say hi?
rainfall possible. The center of the
Hi.
storm is getting
Hi and bye, because I'm gonna go ahead and go because my lunch is ready. And that was the oven. We're making pizza. It's a food fest here, but yeah. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, girl!
Everything.
Damn, that's some good pizza. It wasn't burnt like I did. I put the whole thing in the air fryer. That I didn't even break it apart, and it burnt only the top part. So look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later, and then we'll get another update. In Texas, they get this so much worse.
What?
In Texas, they get this so much worse.
Really?
Yeah.
So is this your first hurricane?
Yeah, like, I want to say my first legit, because I know we had hurricane warnings, and like, but it wouldn't be this serious. The one I remember is, I want to say Irma and Dorian is what I remember. Oh, got some rain in my face. Yeah, I'm gonna get one.
My coffee and cookies, please. Thank you.
Hi guys, so we just got back from a walk a little bit ago. We made some lunch, as you can see. The sun is shining. It's trying to shine behind me. It's great. Yeah, we saw a lot of destruction on the streets, and it's just like, as destruction goes, like, it's debris, trees are down, my car is okay, thankfully. It just sat in the parking lot all the time. We've been having cabin fever, eating, and just like, wow, I feel like it's quarantine all over again. But we're doing good. We're doing much better. Slept through the night. It's a little bit chilly. No humidity. Pretty much we've been watching the news. My best friend Cash is on the phone right now, which is why I'm outside. But yeah, so hopefully, I mean, tomorrow I should be able to be going back to work. It's up in the air, so we just don't know yet. But yeah, it's definitely been crazy the past couple days. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, we're gonna hang out, clean up, get dressed, and then pretty much try our best to go back to normal because everything is closed, and I don't blame places for being closed because it's been a lot. Like Naples is hit hard, Clearwater, St. Petersburg, Apollo Beach, Sarasota, Fort Myers, Miami, all those coastal cities, they're flooded right now. So I'm prayers to them over there, and it hopefully gets better for them. I think that's really it. I'm very lucky. We've never lost power. We've had power this whole time, but we kept our chargers. We've kept everything, flashlights, our safe room. Yeah, it's good to be slowly back to normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside, and then we will chat with you guys later. Hopefully get some feedback from my best friend Kat, because this is her first hurricane. This is my first legit hurricane too, because I've been here for like 3 or 4 years, and it's been like, oh, they just barely scratched the surface of Florida where I am. But Hurricane Ian hit hard. Like, it's sucked up all the water from the bay, and so yeah, it's been a lot. And Hurricane Ian's my first major hurricane I've ever sat through, and it's time to clean up. And look, cars are back on the road. Look at that. So, how's you guys doing? And talk to you guys later. Tripping over. Yeah. All that debris. Well, it's not really debris, it's more so like tree leaves and stuff. But it's something.
It's branch fell.
Yeah. Ow. Oh, look at that. The woodsy little area over there. Ow! Hit my stuff like team.
Okay.
Oh, is that oh, look at that. Is that a piece of the
That's a piece of the
roof?
Of the roof.
Yeah, it's somebody's roof. Thankfully, it's not like pieces of the houses that are on this ground, but it's so bad that like all the leaves and trees are down.
While it could have been a lot worse for us, we're very thankful for the type of hurricane that we received.
And like I was saying earlier, Naples was really bad. I got friends in Clearwater. They evacuated on Tuesday. Can't imagine what they're gonna be coming home to if they can go home. Because you know it's flooding, but yeah, check in with you guys later. We're headed to the store or Dunkin' Donuts, whichever one is open. Good morning, it's day 2 of the hurricane. We're going on a walk. As you can see, Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at all of that. Oh my gosh. Look at all the debris, all the leaves. Oh my gosh. I mean, the wind has been pretty bad. There's no lightning, no thunder, which is very scary. Because when do you think there'd be lightning and thunder during a storm like this?
There wasn't.
Well, you think there would, right?
Yeah.
It's scientifically possible. So we're just gonna take a walk and see how things are. I am off again today. Don't know about tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow I might be going to work, but we shall see. It's cold. Huh? I liked it. Yeah. No trees. I mean, we were mainly looking at this here to see if it would flood. But we were good. We were definitely good. Oh, she's going that way. Okay. I was gonna go that way and then make a out. I'm hungry. Huh?
Here. Step that way.
Okay. So, yeah, just trying to avoid everything. Like it's like right there. Gosh. Luckily, no trees have fallen. We still have power. Very, very lucky. Naples got really hard. Like, hit really hard. Sarasota, Clearwater. I got friends in Clearwater who evacuated Tuesday. That's pretty much it. There's a lot of cleanup to do. Yeah, it's just a lot. So I will let you guys know what happens later today. And last night we didn't do anything besides just eat a lot, watching movies, catching up, trying to limit our use of electricity. So yeah, talk to you guys later.